Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to get Cydia on your iOS 12.2 device instantly without having to connect your phone to your computer, and this is 100% untethered, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah guys, this is the easiest way to jailbreak your 12.2 device. So I'm just going to open up Cydia and show you guys. It's got all the features as you can see now. Yeah guys, like I said, it's super easy. It only takes a couple minutes, so I'm going to show you exactly how I got this, alright? So just open up Safari and go to the website www.apphacks.co/Cydia. Alright, there's a website, apphacks.co/Cydia. Now what this website's going to do is it's going to install a Cydia profile on your phone that automatically jailbreaks it. It's super easy to set up, and yeah, as far as I know, this is the only working iOS 12.2 jailbreak method that's without having to connect to your computer or tether your device or anything like that. It's solid, guys. This works on, I'm actually running it on, this is an iPhone XS, by the way. So as far as I know, this works on all devices. So once you type in this website, just click go. Alright, apphacks.co/Cydia, click allow. Okay, now you want to go to your settings. So go to general, general, profiles, Cydia, there it is. Okay, now just click install. I'm entering my passcode. Next, install, done. Alright, there it is, guys. So I basically just updated it, so now I have it again. So we're gonna open that up, show you guys. Alright, so as you can see, it's got the whole suite of features, and I'm just gonna show you guys though, you might have to inject the content, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So just click any feature. Alright, there you go, injection required. This is because I updated the profile. So I basically updated, when you update Cydia, you just have to do the injection again, but it's super easy to do. So to do the injection, you just click start injection, and then all you're gonna have to do is just install and open 2 apps for at least 60 seconds, and that will inject the remaining files required for Cydia to function properly. Now, sometimes you might have to install a game and get to a certain level, which will initiate a break in the code, which will inject the files. I don't know, guys, it's kind of complicated. I don't know how the developers pulled this off, but it's honestly, to me, this is the easiest way to do it. The file injection method is definitely the easiest way to do it. Most of the time you'll just have to install and open 2 apps for over 60 seconds each, but sometimes the servers will be overloaded, so you'll have to use the game method, which involves just there will be like a game or some sort of app on there that when you reach a certain level in the game, the injection starts. It's kind of like hidden in the code of the game. It's pretty crazy, but like I said, you don't have to connect your phone to your computer. It's untethered. This is honestly the safest way to do it, if you ask me. You don't have to restore your phone or anything crazy like that. Yeah, I mean, this is the best way to do it, guys. So I recommend you get over to that site I showed you right away. I'm just going to go back to Safari, type that in for you guys, apphacks.co/Cydia. Alright, so get over to that website right away. I recommend you install this jailbreak while it's still working, because you know how Apple is, they like to patch things pretty quick. But yeah, I've been using this for a week now, and it's still good. So yeah guys, best way to jailbreak your iOS 12.2. Thanks for watching.